Hello, today we will guide you through how to automatically start notes when joining Zoom meetings. If you want Zoom to begin your notes automatically whenever you join a meeting, this setting can save time and help you stay organized from the very start. We'll walk through exactly where to find it in the Zoom app and how to turn it on. Begin by opening the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the application is fully loaded so you can access your account options and settings without interruption. This feature is managed directly inside the app, so you'll want to start here rather than in a browser. Once Zoom is open, go to the top right corner of the window and click on your profile account. This is where Zoom keeps your personal app options, account controls, and settings menu. If you've used Zoom before, this area may already be familiar, since it's also where you can manage things like your status and preferences. After opening the profile menu, click on Settings. This will take you into the main settings panel, where Zoom groups different features into categories. Settings is the central place to customize how Zoom behaves before, during, and after your meetings, so it's where this Notes option is located as well. Next, click on Meetings and Webinar. This section contains options related to how your Zoom meetings run and what tools are available when you join them. Depending on your version of Zoom, the layout may look slightly different, but the category name should be easy to spot. Once you're in Meetings and Webinar, look for the option labeled Auto Start My Notes. Take a moment to scan the available settings carefully, since there may be several meeting-related options listed together. If needed, scroll through the section until you find the correct setting. This option controls whether your notes begin automatically when you enter a Zoom meeting, which can be especially helpful if you regularly take notes and don't want to start them manually each time. When you find Auto Start My Notes, click the toggle button to turn it on. After the toggle is enabled, Zoom should automatically start your notes whenever you join a meeting going forward. In most cases, the change saves right away, so there's usually no need to click a separate Save button. That's all it takes. You've now enabled automatic notes in Zoom, making it easier to capture information as soon as your meetings begin.